Looking for the best BP monitor brands online? There are too many options and not sure what to choose. Worried that a low budget might mean slower features or that better features means cost too much? In this review, we'll help you find that perfect balance of budget plus top-notch features with a smart decision. Some of the top BP monitor brands in the world include Omron, Withings, Rosmax, Bureau, Microlife and Cardio. We avoid Microlife and Cardio for specific reasons, which we'll explain later in the video. So keep watching to learn more. We have done all the research for you from Trustpilot, Reddit, Quora and real-world tests. And now we are comparing the top BP monitor brands like Omron, Withings, Rosmax and Bureau. Let's see a clear side-by-side comparison to help you choose with confidence. First, type of BP monitor. Let's start with the basics. What type of BP monitor are we talking about? Automatic upper arm models offer the most accurate doctor-recommended readings. All four models like Omron, Withings, Rosmax and Bureau are automatic upper arm types for clinical grade accuracy at home. Second, number of users. Next up, let's start talking sharing. Can your monitor track readings for multiple people? Multi-user supports makes it ideal for families or couples. Omron supports dual users. Rosmax supports 2 users plus guest mode. Bureau supports 2 users while Withings is for single users but syncs across devices via the cloud. Third, number of readings. Memory matters. How many readings can your monitor store? Higher storage equals to better long-term health tracking. Rosmax and Bureau store 120 readings per user. Omron offers 100 per user while Withings stores just 8 offline but supports unlimited cloud storage. Fourth, cuff size and fit. A perfect fit equals accurate readings. Adjustable cuffs ensures comfort and precision. Omron and Withings offer 22 to 42 cm cuffs. Rosmax has a 24 to 40 cm cone cuff. And Bureau features the easy lock cuffs 24 to 40 cm. No horses, no hassle. Fifth, accuracy. Let's talk trust. How accurate are these monitors? AAMI or BHS standards ensures reliable, clinically approved data. Omron promises ±3 mm Hg. Within meets AAMI by BHS standards. Rosmax is clinically equivalent to auscultation and Bureau relies on LED position check. Sixth, history tracking. Needs to review past results. History tracking is the key. Historical logs helps monitor trends and detect problems early. All 4 models like Omron, Withings, Rosmax and Bureau include history tracking features built in. Seventh, irregular heartbeat detection, IHB. Irregular beats, your monitor should catch them. Advanced arrhythmia detection adds an extra layer of health insight. Omron detects AFib plus 3 reading mode. Rosmax covers AFib plus PC arrhythmia. Bureau uses LED alert, while Withings detects high heart rate only, no AFib. Eighth, certification. A certified monitor is a reliable monitor. Certifications means clinical testing and trusted results. Omron is Medieval 2-star and CE marked. Withings is FDA cleared. Rosmax meets ANSI/AAMI. And Bureau is MDR compliant and registered medical device. Ninth, display reliability. Can you see your results clearly? Let's talk screens. Clear display reduces confusion and improves daily usage. Bureau wins with an Excel black display plus LED scale. Rosmax uses e-paper. Omron has a large LCD with hypertension indicator. And Withings uses a sleek LED matrix. 10th, power source. Your monitor needs power. How flexible is it? Multiple power options gives you freedom and reliability. Withings runs on rechargeable battery which is having a 6-month life. Rosmax uses AAA plus adapter. Omron and Bureau uses 4 AAA batteries. 11th, connectivity. Sync your data with your phone. Now that's smart. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi make tracking seamless. Within leads with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cloud. Omron, Bureau and Rosmax offer Bluetooth plus app. Rosmax also includes a USB adapter. 12th, special features. Let's look at the standout extra that makes life easier. Bonus features can elevate your monitoring experiences. Omron has cuff wrap guide AFib alerts. Withins offer cloud reporting plus home doctor sharing. Ross Max has guest mode plus lifetime calibration. And Bureau gives automatic inflation plus cuff position check. 13. Ease of use. No one wants to fumble with tech. Let's keep it simple. One-touch operation saves time and stress. Omron and Bureau offer easy guided use. Withins is compact plus single button. And Ross Max uses a simple one-button interface. 14. Brand origin. Curious where your monitor comes from? Country of origin can affect quality, warranty, and shipping. Omron is made in Japan. Withins is France-based. Ross Max is from Switzerland or Taiwan. And Bureau is proudly German-made. 15. Build quality. A solid device builds confidence and lasts longer. Premium materials make your monitor travel ready and durable. Omron uses sturdy plastic. Withins is sleek plus splash resistant. Ross Max comes with a carry case. And Bureau offers a tubeless all-in-one cuff. 16. Warranty and support. A good warranty says the brand stands by its product. Strong service means less stress and more trust. Ross Max leads with a 5-year warranty. Bureau offers 3 years, while Omron and Withins comes with 2 years warranty and solid after-sales support. 17. Customer rating. Let's hear what real users say, because reviews reveals the truth. Verified ratings help you to buy with confidence. Omron and Bureau top the chart with 4.3 star rating out of 5 star rating. Withins also match with 4.3 star rating out of 5 star rating, and Ross Max earns 4.0 stars rating from only 90 users. 18th. Special discount code. Who doesn't love a great deal on reliable healthcare? Look for official links in the description to unlock savings. Omron, Withins, and Bureau offer promo links below, while Ross Max avoids codes due to lower ratings. Finally, if you are curious about the latest features, models, or pricing, just check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching Brand Investigation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and unique comparisons.